Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how you can get rating bar in Flutter. For that you need to simply install this package called Smooth Star Rating, and then you just simply need to write. Let's see, we have a column here, and in column we'll get a center first, and in the center, in the child, we will just simply write Smooth Star Rating. So let's save our app, and now you can see rating stars in our app. So let's see what properties it has. So first thing is, it has a property called size. It takes in a value of double, and let's say we'll give it a value of, let's say, 50, and now you can see the size is increased. So similarly you can change its size according to the double value. And now we have the other values such as color, so you can select any color. So we'll give the color of amber, as the rating stars have the color of amber. So now you can see, you cannot see the color because it's are not selected. So when the users is going to select the stars, the color is going to be amber. So let's see how you can change the border colors. For that you have a property called border color. We will also give it a property of colors.amber, like this. So when you save our app, you can see the border colors of our stars is also amber. So now what other properties do we have? So let's say we have here this property called spacing. It also takes in a value of double. Let's say the default spacing is 0, as you can see here. Okay, so when we give it a value of, let's say, 10, the spacing will increase between our stars. So let's keep the value 0 for now. And what are other properties? Other properties are like, let's say, filled icon data, or let's say it has a property called on rated. So this is on rated, it takes the value of rating, and suppose we will declare a rating value of double value here up, and we will assign the rating value to rating, like this. So let's say we will just simply print our rating value in our debug console. We'll just simply print it, print our rating value is our rating value. So now we will just save our app, and now you can see when user selects a star, you can see our rating value is printed. So the half rating is also allowed. You can see 1.5 star is selected, and you can change that property by having this property called allow half rating. By default it's true, but when you turn it like false, user won't be able to select the half stars. So you can see we are not able to select half stars. We can only select 1, 2, 3 or 4 or 5, or how many stars there are. So for that we also have a property called count, or star count you can say. Let's say we'll give it a value of 3, so then we will get 3 stars. Let's keep the value by default is 5, and we also have the other properties called, let's say, default icon data. So it takes in a value of icon data. Let's say we'll give it an icon of, let's say, a cake. So we'll save our app, and now you can see our default icon, that is when not a single star is selected, the icon data is our cake. So we'll allow half rating, we'll make it a true, and there are other properties called half filled icon and half filled icon. So let's give it a filled icon value for, let's say, a icon start, let's say a car. Oh, gift card, okay. And when half icon is selected, let's say we'll give it a half another icon, which is, let's say, what should we give, let's say alarm access. So now you can see you can have a custom star rating or anything that you want. When it's not selected, it shows the default icon data. When one is selected, you can see the filled icon, which is this, and this is how it works. By default, the filled icon is icons dot star, and half filled is half icon star, that is half star. Let's save our app, and now you can see our old rating bar is visible. So this is how you can use this smooth star rating package in Flutter to get this star rating for your in your app. So this is how this package is. Hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next time.